Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that I would share my 5 tips to prevent outfit crisis. First tip is that you plan your outfits the previous night so that in the morning when you're rushing probably anyways, at least you know what you're gonna wear and you don't need to think that. Number 2 is to take pictures of your favorite outfit or your new outfit ideas, or either write down some outfit ideas so when you can't come up with a outfit you can check like your phone, the pictures you took or the outfit ideas that you wrote down, and then pick the one that sounds best for you. Number 3, keep your closet organized and have one section for shirts, blouses, you know, stuff like that, one for jeans or bottoms, so one for tops, one for bottoms, and you know, find a way that works for you and keep it organized so that you can find what you're looking for, because it's kind of hard to come up with an outfit if you can't find the pieces that you want to include in it. So yes, keep your closet organized. Number 4, this is going pretty quickly. Go through your closet occasionally and declutter it if necessary. Find the pieces that you really love and you like to wear and you wear a lot, and get rid of the stuff that you don't, because it's just taking space out of your closet. And if you constantly see the things that you don't like and you don't wear, it's actually making it harder to come up to things and to outfits that you want to wear. I don't know why, but it just works like that. So get rid of the stuff that you don't like and do it occasionally so that you know that there's nothing unnecessary taking up the space. And number 5, the last tip. I'm surprised how quickly this video went by, but yeah, the last tip is to search for inspiration through Instagram or Pinterest or Rehoard or anywhere that you can find inspiration from. I personally like Instagram the best because you can follow people that your style you like and their outfits just pops out on your feed. Don't think it in a way that you're finding inspiration for what you're going to buy, but more likely to find inspiration on how to use the pieces that you already have in your closet, because I think we are buying too much stuff these days anyways. So by searching inspiration, try to research like how you can use the clothes you already have than to, you know, find out what you should buy next. But yeah, so try to search inspiration from Instagram and hopefully this way you'll find more use for the things you already have. And these were my 5 tips to prevent outfit crises, and I hope you really enjoyed this short video. And if you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.